Hey guys, thank you for watching. Today new episode of the do-it-yourself crawler track. So we have made some new obstacles on our course and I will show you what we have created. So guys, this is the new obstacle we have created. We have placed a lot of stones, big boulders over here, and the car should drive all the way over there, and we have got two big inclines which they should overcome. So let's find out if the cars can do it. So the other new obstacle we have created is this. So you should go on this hill and then you should make a sharp left turn and then you've got another boulder pile over there. But when you have cleared that one, then you should make another left turn and then you should go down again behind that tree. So let's see what the cars do. So behind me another new obstacle. We've got a lot more to go. I will not keep talking, I will just show you the footage of the cars driving over them. So guys, as you can see, we have added some new nice obstacles to our course. In the future videos we will even increase the size of our crawler track, but that's for another video. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel. If you got any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.